Once you're logged in, please click on Open Vessel. You will see all systems displayed at the top of the page. You can switch between tabs. If you want to look back at past data, please select the year and month you would like to see. You can also download a report at the top of the page. To create a data entry, please select the system you would like to add data to and click on the blue button, Create Data Entry. Please enter your data. And select the date. You will now see the values in the overview. Once logged in, you will be greeted by a dashboard overview. Click on Open Fleet. Here you will notice color circles representing the condition of each vessel. You can click directly on a specific vessel or choose Show Fleet for a broader view. On the broader view page, you can download a detailed report by pressing the 3 dots. You can open the vessel of your preference. You will see all systems displayed at the top of the page. You can switch between tabs. You can also select a custom time frame.